beautiful day the Lord has really made. It's the fourth day of trying to turn $38, right? Trying to turn $38 into $1K. It's a life account, business role. Trying to turn $38 into $1K. I tried one time and it was $14 and I turned $14 into $2K in 1.5 months or so. And I'm trying it again this time around with BTC USD. Because that's what I'm good at. That's what I know. I don't know other pairs. That's what like I know how it moves and stuff. So this time around I'm trying it with $38 trading just BTC USD in X amount of months, X amount of years. Let's see how it goes. If it goes well, fine. If it doesn't, fine. But currently I'm locking with just this $38. Yeah, so it's 4th May, Monday, and in BTC USD, not really seeing anything much. Price really reacting to that 70K, 79K region resistance level. Nothing really much going on in the market. So all I'll do is better off stay off permanently. You could see last week we had this retail trap out here. Price go to 79,000 level out here and give us this single accumulation double top, sorry, out here and give us this perfect confirmation on the second touch. We had this engulfing stick engulfing candlestick pattern out here. So if I'm to enter, I would enter out here, I would enter here and put my stops here. But guess what? It's a retail trap, right? A retail trap. So whoever entered, I'm sure you've been stopped out or maybe you trade out stops to break even. So definitely you'll be on the safer side. But for me, I didn't because it's a retail trap. I've seen something like this before. I entered and boom, it came back to hit my stops. Just as you can see. So currently, what I'm really looking at on BTC USD is the 61.8 golden zone. That's my fifth zone, and that's also the previous low price rated in the market. That's 84,810 region out there. So really looking at that level, but I'll make my decision if price get there. If price fails to break, then I know what I'll do. I'm going short. But if it disrespect that level and like break it, then I'll start looking for buys. Buy level it tells me this hold down waterfall market is like it's about to turn. You're about to see some to the moon stuff and those kind of things here. So currently what I'm really looking at now, anything going on here, anything going on in this corrective phase, I'm not interested. You know how frustrating this phase is, like very frustrating. Anything going on here, I'm not interested. You find a setup, you enter, it comes back, it hits you, blah blah blah, like very frustrating. Choppy market, no specific movement, like no clarity, everything like very messy out in this type of phase though. After this whole impulse signals downwards, like everything has been very choppy. So if I would want like we see a clarity next, you need to get to this how do we call it this 61.8 golden zone. That's my golden zone now there. We need to get there first before I'll be able to make my decision. Currently, I don't know, price really reacting to this 79K. Nothing much going on in the market. So what I'll do is just stay off the market and I don't know, just go around, move around and do my things. So until price get to 84,889K level, there's no decision yet. But if price get there, respect that level, create any form of something like this. What we created out here, something like this double bottom, to this double top out here, out there, then I'll be tempted to short Bitcoin to like 48,000. Yes. But if it disrespects that level, disrespect this level out here, price disrespect this level, get out there, breaks, retest, then I'll start looking for buys. I'll start looking for buys too. Maybe, I don't know, bypass that all-time high created 126,000 level. Bypass that level. So that's what I'm currently looking out of. I'm currently looking for. But today being 4th May, which is Monday, there's nothing much really going on in the market. So what I'll do is I'll just stay off. So if you want to follow that journey of trying to $1038, this time around I'm making it visible. I'm making it visible though. Trying to $1038 into $1,000. I'm breaking it into phases. I'll do 38 to 500 and 500 to 1K. I've done it before. I did $14 to 2K. But it wasn't visible though. I was just doing behind closed doors. Yeah. And I blew that 2,000. I turned I was it $14 to $2,000. I did it in 1.5 months and blew that $2,000 in just like 24 hours. Because at the point in time I felt $2,000 is like very huge account and nothing would happen, and before I'd realize something happened. Everything started. $38. Yeah, I think it's currency fluctuation. It was actually $40, so currency fluctuation, and I don't know. Yeah. So if you really want to follow that journey, follow everything. You know what to do. Sub, like, comment your thoughts, whether I would be able to do it or I wouldn't. But to me, I can, because I've done it again. Yeah. This time around, I'm not making any silly mistakes. I'm not really making any silly mistakes of like blowing it, blah blah blah. Nah. If you really want to follow this journey, sub, like, comment, then just follow the journey. We'll be like uploading it, like making it very visible, journaling it out here, putting everything on here. Every trade I take, every loss, every wins, I'll just put it out here. Trading just BTC USD, nothing else, just BTC USD.